Well, 24 hours ago, we saw that sloppy snow move on in that changed over to rain, and then it was virtually done right around midnight. Now we've seen some clearing skies tonight, and if there's any leftover melting, it's going to get slick. A lot of black ice around. 13 weather ball is blue. Colder weather in view next couple of days. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Forecast an afternoon high of 35. It was 36 this afternoon. 10 days in a row within your plus or minus 3 degrees. Weather headlines calling for colder and virtually dry next couple of days. Might be a couple of lake effect flurries, nothing more than that, but that means we're going to stay colder than average with highs in the 20s, and then breezy and not as cold Friday and Saturday as we get more seasonable in the 30s and climbing into the low 40s Sunday and Monday, maybe even into Tuesday, before some snow and cold weather arrives Tuesday night through the following Wednesday. Tomorrow, though, 16 in the morning, but only around 23 to 25 in the afternoon. We'll see a few clouds around coming in off of Lake Michigan. We had another 1.75 inches during the day yesterday. It's boosted our February snowfall total to nearly 14 inches. We're within less than a half an inch of the snowiest month of the winter season. We've improved on that deficit to only about 13 inches below average. But Muskegon, you're nearly 27 inches below average. You've only had 50 inches on the year. More snow in the eastern part of the state, not as much as they usually get up north, and pretty close to average up around Marquette there, running about 10 inches on the surplus, 150 inches on the year. Dye captured some very big waves out on Lake Michigan earlier this afternoon because of those strong winds that were blowing in, and here are some of the peak winds. They were gusting to over 30 miles an hour at times, even a peak wind of 45 down in Battle Creek. Let's track your travel weather if you're planning on going anywhere across the U.S. Not much active weather here in the Great Lakes region, some active weather in the southeast overnight, but look at this, virtually nothing until over the weekend. We're going to watch a system pass to our south. We're going to become cloudy on Sunday, but no impactful weather. We're going to be watching a system dipping out of Canada. That's going to bring some snow starting Tuesday night into Wednesday and into the following Thursday, and behind that it's going to turn rather cold at the end of the month, early part of March, after we see that warm up over the weekend. Forecast then for tomorrow, we'll go for partly cloudy skies, 18 in Ludington to as warm as 23 in Holland and in South Haven. Up north you can expect temperatures around 20 to 21, maybe even 22 there in Greenville, with morning clouds and afternoon sunshine, and similar here in Grand Rapids, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with highs in the mid-20s. 13 on your side forecast. 25 tomorrow, 20 on Thursday, and then we climb out of the deep freeze to around 30 then on Friday. The winds pick up as the cold air evacuates. Upper 30s Saturday, and then mostly cloudy skies on Sunday as that system passes by to our south, and then we become partly sunny again on Monday. 40s again Tuesday, but the bottom drops out as a system moves through. It's going to bring wind and snow and probably accumulation and much colder weather by the end of next week. And it's March by the end of next week.
Yes, it will be. Thank you, George.